Wet tech ventilation, which is professional engaged in ventilation products, research and development management and service the model enterprise. We are devoted to develop various new models to meet the market demand with great quality. Our main products are air diffuser, air grills, air vents, disair valve, flexible duct, access panel, and so on. Our company has solid technical capacity, and the factory that cooperates with us has professional production line and equipment. Our cooperative factory has advanced equipment: CNC punch, CNC spinning machine, automatic sparing line. To meet the new age of globalization, we accelerate the pace development to design more new products and provide better service to our customer. Customer first, quality first. We are sincerely welcome you to contact us for business. Part 1. Equipment Introduction. Automatic feeding and cutting with an average of 450 pieces per hour, high cutting efficiency. One cut saves 3 drops, tripling efficiency, monthly saving on electricity, labor and material, with even higher precision. Replace a new machine means profits.
KO. 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 KO.
The new type of equipment developed to solve problem of high safety risk, low processing accuracy and poor production efficiency of traditional electric punch machine. It is suitable for punching and cutting various aluminum alloys, ABS, plastic, steel profiles, and can complete batch banking work in a short time. No need to change molds. Zero risks of accident. One machine for multiply use save costs, insurance safety and efficiency, relieve peace of mind for boss and employee.
KO. KO. KO.
Which can achieve very precise cutting dimension with a cutting accuracy of 0.1 mm. It is suitable for cutting bundle materials. Weight reduced by 95% near perfect precision. One person does the work of 3, saving 10,000 yuan in labor per month. This not only a machine, it's a money printing machine.
KO. KO.
The CNC positioning punching machine is widely used for punching. Can be used to punch hole for hinge pin, lock holes, and line holes, among other applications. Quick mode change, having error rate, say goodbye to inefficiency, embrace smart production. This is a high-efficient and safe welding equipment suitable for welding material, such as aluminum alloys and stainless steel. Even ordinary workers can achieve master-level welding results. Monthly saving of 6,000 yuan in labor with a 60% increase in pass rates, saving money and worry, and ensuring more consistent quality.
KO. KO.
Upgrading your equipment isn't an expense, it's an investment. The sooner you upgrade, the sooner you save money. The sooner you upgrade, the sooner you profit. Place machine order during exhibition, September 24 to 26. MOQ1 says 5% discount based on normal price. Part 2. Equipment Demonstration.
Let me introduce you to our vertical double cut saw. Safe and with high cutting accuracy. Simple and quick operation. Precision manufacturing. Materials of different shapes can be cut by replacing the modules. Suitable for use in most manufacturing industries. Improve production efficiency. The automatic punching machine is an important equipment in the production process of the factory. The third-generation multifunctional automatic punching machine. Using hydraulic power as the punching force, the servo motor is used for automatic feeding, and a concealed cutting structure is adopted. The punching die adopts a detachable design. Realize multi-purpose use of one machine and reduce costs. Intelligent operation is simple. This multifunctional automatic punching machine is highly efficient and place the four molds one by one. Note the numbers on the molds. Set working parameters. Click OK. Machine adjusts automatically according to the input data. Put in the material. Press the material and step on the pedal to complete the punching. Let's take a look at the work results. Automated laser welding. The efficiency is twice that of traditional welding. It can achieve small laser beam and high precision welding, reduce energy consumption and minimize thermal damage, automatically align the welding points efficient and fast. Laser welding has more advantages compared with traditional welding. The welding strength is high and the welding points are smooth and beautiful. The direction of the video demonstration is left in and right out. There will be differences in different directions. The first step is to install the touchscreen stand. Installed behind the positioning frame. Fasten two fixing screws. To install the motor. Place the motor on the tabletop. Tighten the fixing screws. Then install the drag chain bracket. Place the drag chain on the drag chain groove. Install the fixing screws. Then insert the plug of the touchscreen cable into the socket. This white line goes into the electrical box. Insert the corresponding socket for the white controller. Insert the motor wire into the second socket. Step 3. Install the sensor switch. The installation position of the induction switch is on the side of the motor. Push the positioning plate to the position of the sensing block. Make sure that the sensor and the sensor support maintain a gap of 1 to 3 mm. Then install the positioning block properly. Fasten the fixing screws. The installation of the entire positioning frame has been completed. Below is the product usage instructions. Connect to the power supply. Turn on the power switch. Press the power switch on the touch screen. Click the reset button on the touch screen. Input the length of the material that needs to be cut. After completion, click on the positioning function or the right start button. repetitive positioning, the precision error is extremely small. Disc-type handheld automatic riveting machine. Using a rotary nail supply, the device is small in size and light in weight. Open-type guide rail using intuitive operation. Open-type guide rail using intuitive operation. Quick clamping, accurate driving of nails. The machine realizes automatic nail feeding, automatic riveting, and automatic nail discharge. Meet the usage requirements of different industries. Handheld automatic screwdriver. Using a rotary nail supply, the device is small in size and light in weight. Large capacity, stable structure. Open structure, simple maintenance. Compact handheld mechanism design. This machine can achieve automatic supply of nails and automatic tightening of the nails, all in one seamless process. Meet the usage requirements of different industries. Automatic winding packaging machine. Adjustable film tension. Installation is simple and quick. The transportation is smooth and there is no slipping. Inductive automatic operation. Automatic conveying and automatic winding. The number of winding can be set when the product has been successfully sensed and wound up. The machine automatically performs multiple rounds of final winding. It is more efficient than manual winding. Widely used in various industries for product winding packaging. Welcome all customers to inquire and make purchases.
Thanks for choosing Realtek. We are always working on better products as a reward for your trust.